Hey Raj, see, there's another case of juice jacking.
What, Jaswant? What are you talking about? What is juice jacking?
Raj, you don't know about juice jacking? Juice jacking, basically, a cyber attack wherein malware might be installed onto or a data is surreptitiously copied from a smartphone, tablet, or other computer devices using charging port that doubles as a data connection, typically are USB ports or cables. Juice jacking mostly happens when we charge our smartphone at public charging ports, but we can also avoid it not by using public charging ports and also by carrying power banks and extra batteries.
Jaswant, you know what? I have got a different idea for you.
What is it, Raz?
USB condom.
What rubbish are you talking, Raz? What is USB condom?
Haven't you heard about them? They are getting so popular nowadays because of your juice jacking.
Can you explain me, Raz, it in details?
USB condom is a security device for preventing data theft to USB interface. USB condoms achieve this by cutting off the data pins in the USB cable and allowing only the power pins to connect though.
Can you explain me its working in more detail?
Yeah, it's simple as seen in the circuit diagram. The circuitry is very simple and the hardware is compact enough to fit inside a matchbox sized enclosure. The circuit takes its input through the USB jack 1 and outputs the USB charging supply through the USB jack 2. The LED one is the power in indicator. Although USB specifications allow plug and play option, during the disconnect, the inrush current from the USB part to the USB device can create harmful transients. That is why a Schottky diode D1 and electric capacitor C1 is added to improve the overall system stability.
If it is so simple, Raz, can we make it at home?
Yes, we can. We just need female USB socket and male USB plug and some tools. We have to use a pliers to remove the two middle pins from the socket and plug. Then we have to remove the plastic insert from the socket and cut it down to size. We have to put the newly chopped plastic insert back in the socket with super glue. We have to band up the two pins on the socket and add some big blobs of solder on them. We have to remove the remaining two pins from the plug and set them aside. Then we have to take the hacksaw and cut the plug where we can see the ridge in the shielding. We have to clean it up, then reinsert the two pins. We have to cut and bend them so they are flush when pushed up the socket. We have to solder the two parts together. Add some glue with the glue gun so that the pins don't short out on shielding. We have to weld the shielding of the plugs to that of the socket. It doesn't matter if it's not perfectly square.